Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to Alan's Adventures. Today I'm opening this awesome Pokemon box. I already opened one of the Pokeballs, and I got this awesome V. Let's open the rest. I love collecting Pokemon cards. It looks so fascinating, and I've been collecting a lot of cards. I've got a lot. I've got a big collection right now. So yeah. So here's my first pack. I hope I get something good. Got a Spunsnap, Nickit, Larvitar, Galarian Darumaka, and a Carablast, Decidueye, Melmetal Energy, a Fletchinder, a Hiding Dark Energy, a Corcrisper, and that's it. Let's open the next pack. So, Krabby, Rokidi, Rhyhorn, Trudeau, Cottony, Seeking, Cloyster, Fire Energy, Haunter, Band, Evolution Incense, and nothing. Let's open the next pack. Next pack and the final pack out of this Pokeball. Okay. See what I get. A Voltorb, Creepy, Growlithe, Snover, Binacle, Athlon, a Copperajah V. I got a V. Nice. This looks so awesome. Let's put this over here with my other Boltund V. Dark Energy, Chargerbug, Metapod, Burning Scarf, and nothing. Let's see these awesome hollow EV hollows. Check this one out. Doesn't it look so shiny and cool? Let's see the other ones. I got this one, and I got this one, and let's go opening to the tin. Move this box over here. This up. Move this. Open it here. Whoa! Check this out! I got a huge Eevee coin, and I got three of the evolutions: Flareon, Jolteon, and Vaporeon. Let's go to the packs. So I got this one right here. Let's open it up. I got a Joltik. I got a Weedle, a Tallow, a Scandal, Pinico, Mancargo, Manteric, Energy, Dusclops, Rocky Helmet, Galvantula, and nothing. On to the next pack. I hope I get something really good. Really, really good. Hope I do. I hope this Zapdos has something good. Mareep, Ralts, Castform, Rainy Form, Snover, Single Strike, cool. And I got a Galarian Namask, Lapras, Zeraora V, Rapid Strike! Whoa, this card looks so awesome! Look at that! Whoa, I'm gonna add this to my V collection. I got a Water Energy, Crabnable, Doctor, and Lydian, and nothing. Let's open the next pack. I hope I get another V and it's as awesome as Zeraora. I got a Sphinx, Galarian Mask, Applin, Hatina, Acorda, Bunnelby, Wishcash, Electric Energy, Speed, Electric Energy, Pelipper, Palisade, and nothing. Let's get to the next pack. We got a Krabby, a Chinchou, Belt Toy, Cricket, Vulpix, Mawile, Ninetales, Electric Energy, Rare Candy, Rare Boot, Bed, and nothing. And my last and final pack, it's a Chilling Rain. Nice! I started with a single strike Rockruff. Got a Ghastly, Lady Bay, Porygon, Swirlix, Snappet, Single Strike. Oh, I got a Hollow Thundurus. And I got a Fire Energy, a Raboot Single Strike, and a Rapid Scroll of Skies, Rapid Strike 2. And I got Kirlia and nothing. Let's see what else I have in here. What's this? Nice, I got some awesome stickers. I got the 3 cards I got, and I got the EVs. Wow, lots and lots of stickers. I want to get to some good stuff. Like, cool, look at that. I got a notebook, and I got this awesome thing, like a bag, like a little thing, where you put your cards in, and then you can carry it in your pocket instead of holding it like a big book. It looks so awesome. And this is all the V's I got. These are so awesome. My favorite of all is Zeraora. Doesn't it look so cool? And I got Boltund and Copperajah V. Look at them, and I'll show you my awesome Zeraora. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time.